What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best budget best indoor puppy playpen available on the market. Through extensive research and testing I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance or its particular use. We've got you covered. For more information on the products I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the top 5 picks. Number 1. Midwest Homes for Pets Folding Metal Pet Playpen. This standard X pen doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles but is a reliable and cost-effective way to keep your dog safe and out of trouble. It is quick to assemble, just unfold and affix the segments together with the included clips. There are also anchors to help stabilize this pen if you are going to use it outside. The Midwest Homes for Pets Foldable Metal Exercise Pen/Pet Playpen offers a variety of sizes for dog breeds from 26 to 40 pounds. Its lightweight metal makes the playpen simple to move around, set up, and tear down. Consumers love the playpen for its versatility, using it as an extension to a dog crate, a small fence, or an area for a puppy for run and play. The Midwest Homes Foldable Metal Dog Exercise Pen comes in 5 different heights, ranging from 24 inches to 48 inches, so you can choose based on the size, or climbing ability, of your dog. You can also clip more than one of these together if you need a bigger space, making this a good option if you're looking for something expandable. They can be arranged into an octagon, square, or rectangle, but the right configuration often depends on how rowdy your dog is and what will hold together best. Number 2. Iris USA 34-inch Exercise Playpen. This pen is a great looking option when you need to keep a pet out of trouble in the middle of your living room. It comes in 2 shades of gray, as well as white, and is made of molded plastic that will never rust. The panels are easy to assemble with long full-length rods that keep them connected. With rubber stoppers at the bottom of the panels, the Iris playpen won't slide around when your puppy is playing, and the door provides safety latches so your dog will remain confined and safe inside as long as you need. Although the Iris exercise playpen is easy to put together and take apart, it's a little bulky when disassembled, so it's best for those with plenty of storage space. One segment includes a door that's about 20 inches high and 15 inches wide and accessible via a metal swing latch. Number 3. BestPet Metal Wire Playpen. The BestPet Metal Wire Playpen stands at an ideal height and is both sturdy and safe for small to large dogs and puppies. $30, it's not a budget breaker, and it's easy to set up and take down, meaning it's convenient if you need to take it along to the beach, the park, or even a friend's or family member's house for the day. Coated with an ultra-durable coating to reduce rusting, the BestPet Metal Wire Playpen is meant to last. When you're not around to supervise your dog, the heavy-duty playpen ensures your puppy is safe and confined. With room for food and water bowls, as well as potty pads, the BestPet heavy-duty playpen is worth the investment and will make the lives of dog owners a bit less chaotic. Each panel is 24 inches wide by 30 inches high, and it can be combined with additional playpens to create a larger play space for your dog, a big selling point if you have multiple dogs who need a spacious play area. It's sturdy enough that you don't need to worry about your pup breaking free, but easy to tear down for portability. Number 4. Yaheetech Heavy Duty Pet Playpen. This sturdy metal pen is so much more solid than your standard basic metal exercise pen, sometimes called an X pen. It's made of metal tube frames and wire panels, covered in a rust-resistant coating. There's a very convenient step-through gate and 8 panels that can be moved around to create a square, octagon, or rectangle pen. You can also buy it with 16, 24, or 32 panels. This puppy playpen is made of strong and high-quality iron material, sturdy and durable to use. Quantity: 1 by 8 panels dog playpen. This interactive and expandable pet fence is suitable for small or medium pets, such as toy poodles, corgis, puppies, rabbits, ducks, bunny, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The pen is easy to assemble with no tools required. But it is very heavy, so it might not be the best choice for traveling. It's available in a couple of different heights, so you can choose based on the current, or projected, size of your puppy. The rods used to connect the panels can double as anchor stakes to help keep the pen in place if you want to use it outdoors. Number 5. Evenflo Playaway Portable Playard. If you have a tiny young puppy, a human baby playpen can be a good option for naps and playtime. This Playard is easy to pop open, snap shut, and store. It has a locking bar across the top for safety and a water-resistant padded floor that is simple to wipe clean in case of accidents. This may not be the best choice for older, rowdier puppies, who may try to climb up the sides or gnaw on the netting. But it's an excellent option for very young puppies who need a safe space to hang out after naps or between feedings. It's simple to tote with you on the road if you travel a lot, whether it's camping or taking your dog to grandma's house. It will give them a familiar, cozy spot to sleep and feel safe. The Playpen has a zip-off canvas bottom and a zip-off mesh top. You can take off the bottom if you want to put your dog in the grass and can keep on the top if you worry about an escape artist. I worry about teeny puppies outside and predators like hawks. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, do comment and don't forget to subscribe this channel.